Google might have spilled the jelly beans on the next version of its Android operating system. In this screenshot of the Google Play Store by Droid Life, there appears to be an option to purchase the latest version of Samsung's Galaxy Nexus, running Android 4.1. Google hasn't yet announced the next iteration of Android, of course, but popular opinion has it it'll be codenamed Jelly Bean. Google has since nuked the listing, but Wired reports the stock image of the Galaxy Nexus is still showing some telltale signs of an updated OS. A shot of the Galaxy Nexus supporting a new pink and green wallpaper and what looks like a new search box still shows up on the Google Play when the Galaxy Nexus is in a user's shopping cart. Does this mean the Galaxy Nexus is looking at a stack of new features in the near future? Redmond Pie isn't going to assume too much. The bad news for the people hoping for widespread changes, though, is that the new mobile OS will be Android 4.1 rather than 5.0, reducing the chances of a major overhaul this time around. But Lilliputian says Google has crammed a lot into these small packages in the past. It's not like Google hasn't included major features and minor updates before. Tethering and wireless hotspot support, turn-by-turn driving navigation, and the ability to move apps to a micro SD card were all included in previous point releases. Speculation is likely as good as it's going to get for now. Ars Technica says Android's game plan is hard to pin down. It's not yet clear whether Jelly Bean will bring deep changes to the platform, but it's worth noting that some previous Android point releases have introduced major technical improvements. The current version is Android 4, codenamed Ice Cream Sandwich, which was released in the fourth quarter of 2011 but has been slow to see adoption. According to the Android developers' website, Ice Cream Sandwich holds just a little more than 7% of the overall Android ecosystem. So if 4.1 rolls out to the top end of the device market, chances are it will get an even smaller chunk of the dessert tray. Google is staying quiet on Jelly Bean for now, but more info could show up at Google's I/O conference next week. For Newsy, I'm Logan Tittle. Multiple sources, the real story.